Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH short and sweet in chemistry. Now I am going to explain for the students class 11. The topic is short revision of reaction in organic chemistry, now especially for class 11. Now here it is part 6, that is reactions involved in the preparation of alkene. In part 4 and part 5 already I have explained some reactions which are involved in the preparation of alkene. Now also in part 6 I am going to explain other reactions where the preparation of reactions involved. Now see, this is from dihalogen derivative. What is meant by dihalogen derivative? Generally derivative here, that words that is for alkane. Dihalogen, that means two halogen will present in alkane instead of two hydrogen. Now what is the condition? Vicinal dihalide, that is the dihalogen derivative of alkane, where halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom. Adjacent carbon atom means what? Means near attached carbon. The carbon atoms near just attached to other carbon, this is called adjacent carbon atoms. Now example is CH2Br, CH2Br. What is mean? Actually this is ethane, the house itself or parent hydrocarbon itself ethane. In ethane, number 1 position there is a bromine instead of one hydrogen. Similarly, in number 2 there is a bromine instead of one hydrogen. So what is the formula? CH2Br, CH2Br. Then what is the name? 1 position that is bromine, 2 position that is bromine, 1,2-dibromoethane. That means ethane is the parent house where 2 hydrogen at the adjacent carbon atom are replaced by halogen atom. This is called vicinal dihalide. Again you can see here from dihalogen derivative, di means 2 halogen derivative of alkane. Now see the example, when you see vicinal dihalide is heated with zinc, what happens? Zinc means zinc dust. Zinc generally a granule piece, but in this reaction you should take zinc dust, zinc particle, zinc dust, and here it produce alkene. That means when vicinal dihalide is heated with zinc dust, it produces alkene. Now see the example, this is the simple example, 1,2-dibromoethane and plus zinc on heating in ethanol. Ethanol is taking as a solvent and it produces ethene. You can observe how many carbon atoms here, 2 carbon atoms are there in 1,2-dibromoethane, and also you will get 2 carbons alkene. What is the 2 carbon alkene? That is ethene. 3 carbon alkene, that is propene. 4 carbon alkene, that is butene. But there are 2 types of butene. One is 1-butene, other is 2-butene. Like this you can remember, butene means there is a double bond, that is alkane, but the name either 1-butene or 2-butene, or you can say but1-in or and but2-in. Now you can see this is the second example where it is known as 1,2, 1 position, 2 position. See, this is the 1, this is the 2, and 1,2-dibromopropane, because here 3 carbons are there. So 3 carbon means propane. In propane, 1 position that is replaced by bromine, in 2nd position that is replaced by bromine. That is why it is called 1,2-dibromopropane. So when it is heated with zinc dust and in presence of ethanol as solvent, it produces propene. Why it produces propene? Because here 3 carbons are there. When 3 carbons are there, it produces propene plus zinc bromide. and called the reaction is called dehalo. D mean remove, halo mean halogen, halogenation. That means halogen atoms are removed, and from this reaction, that is why this is also called dehalogenation reaction, and that is from dihalogen derivative, that is vicinal dihalide. How can you get alkene? Again you can observe here dihalogen derivative. How can you take dihalogen derivative? That is one alkane where 1, 2 position are replaced by that is halogen atoms, or you can say adjacent adjacent carbon atom. Adjacent carbon atom, if the halogens are there instead of hydrogen in alkane, that is called vicinal dihalide. Now this is one example, simple 1,2-dibromoethane, and you will get ethene because 2 carbon in reaction as a reactant, so 2 carbon in the product as a alkene. Similarly here second reaction 1,2-dibromopropane. 1,2-dibromopropane, you will get propene because 3 carbon it contains, so that is why the product is propene. So what is the byproduct? That is zinc bromide. You can write here 1,2-dibromopropane because parent hydrocarbon, that is propane, the house itself is propane, and so here 1, 2 position are replaced by halogen, that is bromine. So that is why, what is the name? 1,2-dibromopropane. I hope it is clear to you what is meant by vicinal dihalide, what is meant by adjacent carbon atoms. This is called adjacent, that means they are both attached and where bromine are there. So here what happened, and next is how the vicinal dihalide when react with zinc and on heating it produce alkene, and what type of alkene it produce. If 3 carbon, you immediately write 3 carbon alkene, that is propane. If 4 carbon, you see what is the double bond should be present where either but1 or but2. Now I hope it is clear to you, and hope you will subscribe my channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also I may hope please like and share my channel. In next coming video, I will explain the other method of preparation where the reactions are involved, how the reactions takes place in different reaction, how the products are formed, how to remember easily what is the product and how we will get the products. And thanks for watching my video, and thanks again to all.